Yes, good morning, Nana. Continuation second video matrix multiplication is part 2. Now coming to A is given 1, 1, 3, 5, 2, 6, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. You have to find the AQ. AQ means A into A into A. Otherwise A square into A. So you have to find A square. That is A into A. That is 1, 1, 3, 5, 2, 6, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. Into again A 1 1 3 5 2 6 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Row into column you have to multiply. I think everyone perfect matrix multiplication. So first row into first column is first row first element. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 into 5 is 5. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. First row into second column. 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into 2 2. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. First row into third column. 1 into 3 3 plus 1 into 6 6. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. Now second row into first column. Second row into first column. 5 into 1 5 and for 2 into 5 10. 6 into minus 2 minus 12. Next second row into second column. 5 into 1 5. 2 into 2 4, 6 into minus 1 minus 6. Second row in third column, 5 into 3 15, 2 into 6 12, 6 into minus 3 minus 18. Third row into first column, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, minus 1 into 5 minus 5, minus 3 into 2 minus 2 6. Third row into second column, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, minus 1 into 2 minus 2, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Third row into third column, minus 2 into 6 3 minus 6, minus 1 into 6 minus 6, minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. So A square you got it. 6 minus 6 0, 3 minus 3 0, 9 minus 9 0, 15 minus 12 3, 9 minus 6 3, 27 minus 18. 27 minus 18 is 9. 6 minus 7 minus 1, 3 minus 4 minus 1, 9 minus 12 minus 3. Coming to AQ. AQ means A square into A. That is 0, 0, 0, 3, 3 and 9, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3. Into again A, 1, 1, 3, 5, 2, 6, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. So again row into column you have to multiply. 0 into anything 0 will get. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. Second row into first column. 3 into 1 3, 3 into 5 15, 9 into minus 2 minus 18. Second row into second column. 3 into 1 3, 3 into 2 6, 9 into minus 1 minus 9. Third row into third column. 3 into 3 9, 3 6 18, 9 into minus 3 minus 27. Third row into first column, minus 1 into 1 minus 1, minus 1 into 5 minus 5, minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6, minus 1 into 1 minus 1, minus 1 into 2 minus 2, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3, minus 1 into 3 minus 3, minus 1 into 6 minus 6, minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. Finally we get AQ value 0, 0, 0, 18 minus 18 0, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 27 minus 27 0. This is also 0, this is also 0, this is also 0. That's it. Copy that problem. So I think everyone matrix multiplication, addition, everything is perfect. Next one more algebraic property you have, transpose of the matrix. After completion of some problems, I will explain the transpose of the matrix. Copy this problem. Without practicing, any problem will not get perfect. So you have to practice the problem. Every problem you have to practice. Put the video, pause and practice the problem. Then you can go to the next one. It is easy, better to you. If you will not practice, you will not able to understand. Yes. Coming to next question. A is a 3 by 3 matrix is given. Then you have to show that a square minus 4a minus 5i equal to 0. I is the identity matrix. A square A is 3 by 3. So A square also 3 by 3 will get. 4A is also 3 by 3. Then you can take the I is the 3 by 3 matrix. First you have to find the A square. A square you have to find. A square means A into A. That is a 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Into 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Row into column. You have to multiply row into column. Come into first row into first column. 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 2 2s are 4. First row into second column. 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 into 2, 4. First row into third column. 2 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 2. Second row into first column, 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 2, 4. Second row into second column, 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 1, 1 plus 4. Second row into third column, 4 plus 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 into 2, 2. Now third row into first column, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 2, 2. Third row into second column, 2 2s are 4 plus 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 2, 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 4 plus 1. First row into first column, first row first element, first row into second column, first row second element, first row into third column, first row third element. With respect to second row into first column is second row first element, second row into second column is second row second element, second row in third column is second row third element we will get. Now with respect to third row into first column, third row first element, third row into second column, third row second element, third row into third column, third row third element we will get. So we get total we have, this is a 9, 8, 9, sorry 8, 8, 9, 8, this is also 8, 8, 9. Now you can find the A square minus 4A minus 5I. A square you have 9, 8, 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 8, 9. Minus 4 into A you have 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. This is a 3 by 3 matrix, this is also 3 by 3. Identity matrix you have to read the 3 by 3. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now this is the 9, 8, 8, 8, 9, 8. Minus multiply inside 4, 4, 8, 8, 8, 4, 8, 8, 8, 4. Minus 5 multiply inside 5, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5. Now you can apply the first row, subtract between the three matrices, subtraction. First row, first elements you have to apply. 9 minus 4 minus 5. Second elements you can apply the same operation. 8 minus 8 minus 0. Third elements you can apply same operation. First row, third elements. 8 minus 8 minus 0. Now with respect to second row, 8 with respect to third elements. If you know directly, you can write, no problem. Directly you have to get to 0, 0 you will get. If you know directly, you have to write. Just I am explaining for everyone purpose. I am explaining like every step. 9 minus 9 0, 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 will get every element. This is a null matrix. So you have to prove that a square minus 4a minus 5a value is the null matrix, that is 0. Null matrix denoted by 0. Copy the problem. Comment next question. The given I matrix, identity matrix, E matrix is given. Then you have to show that AI plus BE whole cube is A cube by plus 3A square BE. First you can find the left hand side value. Before finding the AI plus BE whole cube, don't use A plus B whole cube formula. Don't use A plus B whole cube. This is the matrices. That algebraic formula is not applicable here. So first you can find the AI plus BE. I is the identity matrix, E is the given matrix. Small a and small b are the real numbers. Small a and small b are the real numbers. Substitute in this matrix. I is the 1 0 0 1. Substitute I matrix and E matrix plus B into 0 1 0 0. A ought to multiply inside A into 1 A into 0 0 0 A plus 0 B 0 0. You can add now. A plus 0 is A. 0 plus B is B, 0 plus 0 is 0, A plus 0 is A. They ask to find AI plus BE whole cube. So before finding the A whole cube means whole square you have to find. That is AI plus BE into AI plus BE. So this is the multiply. AI plus BE, you got it. A, B, 0, A. This is also A, B, 0, A. Now you can apply row into column, first row into first column. So we get directly I am ready. A square plus 0 A square, AB plus BA, next second row into first column 0 plus A into 0 0, 0 into B 0 plus A square. So AI plus BE whole square, you got it. A square, AB plus 2AB, 2AB, 0 B square. Now you have to find the AI plus BE whole cube. That is AI plus BE whole square into AI plus BE. So this is already A square, 2AB, 0 B square. And AI plus BE, we got it AB 0A. Again row into column. So that is A square into A cube, 2AB into 0, 0. A square B, A first row into second column. First row into second column. A square into B, A square B plus 2AB into A, 2A square B. Second row into second column, 0 into A 0 plus B square into 0 0. Second row into second column, 0 into B 0 plus B square A. And 0 plus this, I think this is the, one second Anna. Yeah, A square you have, so this is the A square. So obviously 0, first row, second row into first column 0, 0 plus A square into A cube. This element A square you have. So AI plus BE whole cube. You got it. A cube, A square B plus 2AB square. That is 3A square B plus 0 A cube. This is the LHS value. Now you can check the RHS. RHS what is given? A cube I plus 3A square B. That is A cube into I is what? 1001 plus 3A square B into E is what? 0100. Now A cube multiply inside A cube into 1 A cube plus 0 0 A cube. 3a square b multiply inside 0 into 3a square b 0, 3a square b 0 0 will get. Now adding the both matrices we get a cube plus 0 a cube, 0 plus 3a square b 3a square b, 0 plus 0 0, a cube plus 0 is a cube. This is the value of RHS. But you got the same, these two are equal now. Same values you got it. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Hence AQY plus 3 AQY plus BE, AI plus BE whole cube equal to AQY plus 3A square BE. Copy that problem. Coming to next question, they given theta minus phi equal to pi by 2. Theta minus phi equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2 means obviously this is a 90, 180 by 2, 90 degrees. Then theta equal to, this is called the theta, this symbol is phi and turn. This symbol is called the theta, this symbol is phi. Pi means 180, 180 by 2 is 90 degrees. Minus phi bring the right answer, then theta equal to 90 plus phi. In the given matrices, two matrices, one variable theta, one angle theta, other angle is phi. So the two angles converting into first one angle. Then product of two matrices is a 0. That means that is a right side, not a 0. That is a matrix O, null matrix. That symbol is a matrix O, null matrix. Since the product of two matrices is always matrix. 0 is a number. That is the reason this is a null matrix. Right side you have null matrix. Now coming to theta, I am converting in terms of phi. 90 plus phi. 90 plus phi belongs to second quadrant. Trigonometry ratios. First quadrant 0 less than theta less than 90. Second quadrant 90 to 180. It is a more than 90 plus means more than 90. That means 90 plus phi belongs to the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sin is the positive, cos is the negative. That means sin of 90 plus theta, sin of 90 plus theta is cos theta, cos of 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. Now applying the cos and sin, applying the cos theta equal to cos of 90 plus phi. Second quadrant cos is the negative, that becomes a minus sin phi. Cos changes to sin in the trigonometry. 10th class, in the 10th class, మీరు చదివారండి 10th class trigonometry concepts. Now apply the sin theta equal to sin of 90 plus phi. Sin of 90 plus phi is 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant, sin changes to cos phi. These two values you can substitute in the given matrix. Given matrix is cos square theta, cos theta, sin theta, cos theta, sin theta, sin square theta, into second matrix same, cos square phi, cos phi, sin phi, cos phi, sin phi, sin square phi. Cos theta is what? Minus sin phi. Minus sin phi whole square is plus sin square phi. Minus sin phi whole square is plus sin square phi. In place of cos theta minus sin phi, you have to substitute. Sin theta is cos phi. Cos theta is minus sin phi. Sin theta is cos phi. Sin square theta means cos phi whole square, that is the cos square phi. Into second math is same, cos square phi, cos phi sin phi, cos phi sin phi, sin square phi. Row into column, first row into first column. So that is a sin square phi into cos square phi, plus into minus, minus sin phi into sin phi, sin square phi, cos phi into cos phi, cos square phi. First row into second column, sin square phi into sin, x into x square, x cube. Same like that, sin square phi into sin phi, sin cube phi into cos phi, cos phi into sin cube phi, plus into minus, minus sin phi into sin square, sin cube phi into cos phi. Second row into first column, plus into minus, minus sin phi, cos phi into cos square, cos cube phi, plus cos square into cos, cos cube phi into sin phi. Second row into second column, plus into minus, minus cos phi into cos phi, cos square, sin phi into sin phi, sin square, cos square phi, sin square phi, plus cos square phi into sin square phi. So value is 0, that is 0, this is also 0, 0. That is the null matrix. Copy that. These all problems you have to practice properly. Practice, since in the intermediate point of view, very very important. Let's come into next question. A matrix is given, then you have to find a cube minus 3a square minus a minus 3a. A cube means a square into a. First you can find the a square. A into a. That is 1 minus 2, 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 1, into again 1, 1 minus 2, 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 1. Row into column. So 1 into 1, 1, plus minus 2 into 0, 0, plus 1 into 3 is 3. First row into second column, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 into 1, minus 2, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. First row into third column, 1 into 1, 1, minus 2 into minus 1, plus 2, 1 into 1, 1. Second row into first column, 0 into 1, 0, plus 1 into 0 is 0, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Second row into first column is second row first element. Next second row into second column, 0 into minus 2, 0, 1 into 1, 1, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. Second row into second column, 0, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Third row into first column, 3 into 1, 3, minus 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 3 is 3. Third row into second column, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Third row into third column, so 3 into 1, 3, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1, 1 into 1, plus 1. So a square value have 4 minus 5, 4, minus 3, 2 minus 2, 6 minus 8, 4. You have to find the AQ. AQ means A square into A. A square value have 4 minus 4, 5 minus 3, 2 minus 2, 6 minus 8, 4. Into A again 1 minus 2, 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 1. Again row into column you have to multiply. First row into first column, 4 into 1, 4, minus 5 into 0, 0, plus 4 3 is 12. First row into second column, 4 into minus 2, minus 8, minus 5 into 1, minus 5, 4 into minus 1, minus 4, 4 into 4, and 4, minus 5 into minus 1, plus 5, 4 into 1 is plus 4. Now second row into first column, minus 3 into 1, minus 3, 2 into 0, 0, minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Second row into second column, minus 3 into minus 2, plus 3, 6, 2 into 1, 2, minus 2 into minus 1, minus 2, plus 2. You can say like the second row into second column, third column you can have to multiply, minus 3, minus 2, minus 2. Third row into first column, third row first element, 6 into 1, 6, 0, plus 2, 1. Third row into second column, third row into second column, 6 into minus 2, minus 12, minus 8 into 1, minus 8, 4 into minus 1, minus 4. Third row into third column, 6 plus 8 plus 4. So AQ value have 16, minus 12, minus 17, 8, 13, this is a minus 9, 10, this is a minus 7, 18, minus 24, 18. This is the AQ. Now you have to consider AQ minus 3ASK minus A minus 3I. AQ value got it 16 minus 17, 13, minus 9, 10, minus 7, 18, minus 24, 18, minus 3A square, 3 into A square, 3 times of A square of 4, minus 5, 4, minus 3, 2, minus 2, 6, minus 8, 4, minus A have 1, minus 2, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 1. Minus 3I, 3 into I is the identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now this is a direct I am writing. First row first element 16, minus 3 into 4 minus 12, plus into minus 1, next 2, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. Like you can apply to every element. Now you can check the second row, first row second element, minus 17, minus 3 into minus 5 plus 15, minus of minus plus 2, 0. Third element 13, minus 3 into 4 minus 12, minus 1, minus 0. With respect to element, minus 9, minus 3 into plus 9, 0, 0. Second row second element 10, minus 6, minus 1, minus 3. Now second or third element, minus 7, minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6, plus 1, minus 0. Third row first element 18, minus 18, third row first element 18, minus 18, one second Anna. The small mistake Nana, small mistake you have to correct it. 3 plus 1 plus 1, that is a 5. So this is the 5. So it is a 5. Now the mistake happened in the third row. So you can change third row first column, third row, second column, third column, we have to change it. So third row into first column, 3, 6, 0, 5 into 3, 15. This is the 15. Same. 6 into minus 6, minus 12, minus 8 into minus 1, 6 into 1, sorry. 6 into minus 2, minus 12, minus 8 into plus 1, minus 8, 5 into minus 1, minus 5. So same as this, 5 into 1 plus 5 here. That means AQ value changes, 6 plus 15, 21. This is a minus 25. That is a 11, 19. So this is a 19, 25, this is a 21. Remaining everything is same. So this is a 21. 5 here. So corresponding elements you got to check. 21, 3 minus 3 into 6, minus 18, minus 3, minus 0. Now coming to third or second element, minus 25, minus in the minus plus 24, plus 1, minus 0. Again third element 19, minus 3 into 5, minus 15, minus 3, minus 1, 3 into 1, minus 3. So finally we get 16 minus 16, 0. Every element will get the 0, 0, 0. So it is a null matrix. So finally AQ 3a square minus a minus 3i equal to 0. Next I will explain the new concept, transpose of the matrix. Transpose of the matrix I will take on Monday the class. There is a new topic. Transpose of the matrix means, just I will give the hint. The row of the matrix, the row interchanged by columns. Rows are interchanged by columns or columns are interchanged by rows is called the transpose of the matrix. That concept I will explain on Monday. Don't miss the class. Always check video, Saturday video, multiplication. Everyone you have to practice every problem you have to practice. Every problem you have to practice, then we get the perfectness in the matrices.